Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom and today I'm excited to be showing you around this lovely Mitsubishi Barbarian. Now I must say, we sell a lot of pickups. This is a very tidy example. You can tell whoever's owned this vehicle has truly cherished it in their ownership. So paintwork, bodywork, alloys, everything is in very nice order. We're finished in this blue metallic which looks absolutely ace, especially when the sunshine hits it. Lots of bright silver detailing on this Barbarian, so front, grille, surrounds, they're all in bright silver. We've got the silver detailing to the mirror caps, the grab handles. We've got the satin silver side steps. Just a very pretty looking thing. LED daytime running lights, headlamp wash on those as well. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these 18-inch grey alloys, diamond turned, all in very nice order, riding on very nice tyres. Mud flaps all round. We've got keyless entry on this vehicle, so just press the button, locks and unlocks. Privacy glass. Again, just look at the bodywork, look at the paintwork. It is a lovely thing. Coming through to the back, silver detailing follows through, so satin silver rear bumper. Looking at the opener, that's in nice order as well. Colour coded rear Aero class. Back cover, that's in very nice order. And then looking through to the back there, as you can tell, Mitsubishi Motors original rear liner, that's in very nice order. It's never seen any hard use there. You've got openings for the rear windows as well. Reversing camera. Pretty looking thing. So let's jump inside. So inside, full leather interior, part perforated in the centres. These are electric seats, illuminated Barbarian kick plates. As you can tell, looking at the seats, the bolster, seat base, very nice. Coming through to the back then, that's the same story. So looking through, central armrest with central cup holders, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats, 2 USBs for phone charging. Then looking at the backs of the front seats, they've not been kicked and scratched, they're in nice order. Jumping inside, keyless start, nice low miles, only covered 28,727 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Full leather multifunction steering wheel, so on there you've got all your information on the display up ahead. Voice command, volume and media controls, cruise control, speed limiter, that's on there. All the source, so that's for your radio, DAB radio, all your music streaming. Automatic lights, automatic wipers, park folding mirrors, lane departure warning, front collision assist. Then coming through to the center screen, clicking through to apps, you've got all your apps on there once your phone's connected through. DAB, USB, that's all found on there. HDMI, GPS, full of gadgets. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Air conditioning as well. This is powered via the automatic box. Heated front seats, HDMI and 2 USB inputs, 12 volt power outlet as well. Obviously you've got the full select, drive select, so you've got the locks on there, hill descent and your all-terrain 4x4. Central armrest, quite a bit of storage within there. Auto dimming rear view mirrors, it doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't seem like it's had any hard use. Looking at all the carpets, they're all in very nice order. So if you'd like any further information on the car, or the pickup I should say, give us a call on 01942 231123. You can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching and we look forward to your inquiry.